Right, looking at question 7 now. So here we've got a storage tank. It exerts a force of 10,000 newtons on the ground. The base of the tank in contact with the ground is 4 meters by 2 meters rectangle. So I'm just going to draw that onto the screen. I've got 4 meters by 2 meters like that. It gives a bit better idea of what we're looking at. We've got to figure out the pressure on the ground due to the tank. Right, here they're giving us a formula. Pressure is force divided by area. So force I've got, okay. Area I need to figure out. Force is given to me in newtons. The dimensions of the base of the tank is given to me in meters. Okay, so what do I need to give my answer in? Newtons per meter squared. Right, so let's work this out. I need the area. So the area of my base is a rectangle. So that's going to be base times height, which is 8 meters squared. So my pressure would then be force, which is 10,000, divided by 8 meters. We'll put the units in at the end, divided by 8. Okay. So let's sort this out now. Okay, again, if you're not quite happy with simplifying fractions, just work it nice and easy. They are both even numbers.